Friends, here our concept is how to install Docker on Ubuntu server. So here we are installing Docker on Ubuntu server using Bash shell script. Anyway, before that, if you remember, this is our Docker architecture. So if you observe here, we are installing Docker on top of some host. That host may be with Windows operating system or with any Linux operating system. So again, in Linux operating system, we can go with either Ubuntu or CentOS or RHEL or Amazon Linux or IBM Linux. It could be any operating system. Fine. Now first let me get my Ubuntu server. See here, I'm taking Ubuntu server from my AWS cloud. Now I already created the server. Let me log into it. So simply I'm logging into our Ubuntu server. Now just let me verify what is the operating system. See that Ubuntu. Anyway, this is latest one. That's fine. Now we have our required operating system. Next thing is we need to install Docker. Now to install your Docker, we have to go and get Docker software. Anyway, before going to that, actually Docker comes in two editions. One is Docker Community Edition and second one is Docker Enterprise Edition. There are some differences between these two editions. Anyway, simply Docker Community Edition is like open source. You can directly download and install with your required operating system. And this Docker Community Edition purpose is just to get practice with your Docker containerization concept. That's it. And here Docker Enterprise Edition, definitely it has some advanced concepts compared to your Docker Community Edition because this is Enterprise Edition. Again, Docker Enterprise Edition is available in terms of basic, standard and advanced editions. So if you observe here, simply I have given some differences between your Community Edition with your Docker Enterprise Edition. So initially we will practice with Docker Community Edition. Anyway, Docker Enterprise Edition is also available as trial version. So later we will use that and we'll use some advanced concepts from our Docker Enterprise Edition as well. Fine. Now let me go and install Docker Community Edition on our Ubuntu server. Now here we are installing through Bash shell script. Now you can get your required Bash shell script in this location. Now let me open my repository, GitHub repository. So just open Docker tutorials for beginners. So simply clone this repository to your local host. I mean where you wanna install your Docker. So this is the server. So what I am doing is simply I am cloning it. So anyway, it is open a repository, directly you can clone it. Git clone that URL. Fine. Now here we have that repo. So enter into it. Now here we have first introduction concept. So go to that and here we have a shell script. Now see here we have shell script. So nothing is there. Whatever the steps manually we are performing to install Docker, all those steps I added in this script. That's it. So if you open and if you go with one by one, you will come to know what are the steps. Very simple steps. Anyway, first let me try to provide the execution permission for it. Now I am running it. See that? Please run this script from root only. See, to install your packages, you should have root privileges or you should run your commands from root user. So anyway, here I designed this script such that it has to execute only from root user. Now let me switch into root. You can copy your required script to your root location or directly you can provide complete path. So let's say home, under this user we have Docker tutorials. In that introduction part we have a shell script. Now let me run it. See that OS is identified as Ubuntu, then it is installing. So whatever the steps we are performing manually, all those steps I added in this script. That's it. So it is going to install your required Docker Community Edition. Anyway, it will install latest Docker on your host. So just wait. So before executing this script, just open it and see step by step what is the logic is there inside that. Fine. Now it is almost done. And one more thing, this script will work only on Ubuntu server. Yeah, fine. Now Docker has been installed successfully on this host and it is up and running. You can verify it using systemctl status docker. So Docker is up and running. Now after that you just verify some commands. Let's say docker space hyphen hyphen version. So it will give Docker version. Anyway, this is the latest version as of now. Then Docker version. See that how you are going to get. You're getting some information about your client and your Docker engine. Anyway, that is community version. Fine. And one more thing, you can also run Docker info. So just as of now, just observe this log. You don't need to worry about this entire log information. Going forward, based on our known concept, I will explain about this step by step. Fine. Okay guys, this is the simple way just to install your Docker on Ubuntu server using Bash shell script. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.